Go ahead, London. Go ahead, London.
What is the city but the people?
I kind of wish I was there. Very beautiful. Ooh, look at the fireworks. Fireworks, everybody. Beautiful fireworks. What's happened to the sound? No sound. The fireworks you can hear in the background are outside my front door. In da bugger. Da bugger. That looks beautiful. I wish I was there. I did the London thing. The last time I did it was probably 2009, I think it was. Or was it 8? Yeah, about 15, 16 years ago. Oh, looking good.